How to delete profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to download the Facebook Lite application. You can get it on the Play Store easily. So you want to download the Facebook Lite application and open it up. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. There you can see profile icon. You want to tap on it and head into your profile. Once on the profile, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to head into the option that says photos. You can see the photos and avatars. You want to tap on it, photos. Once on photos, you'll get list of your albums. You want to head into the profile pictures options. So once you tap on profile picture, what you want to do is you want to open up the profile picture that you wish to delete. Now you can see I have three different. Two is the previous one. If you want to delete the current profile picture, simply tap on that particular profile picture and then tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, at the bottom you can see 5 different options and you can see the delete as well. Simply tap on delete. It'll ask you for confirmation. Tap on yes and your picture will be deleted. So this way you can delete your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.